Hello friends. Today I'm back with a product from BeFit. That is the BeFit Watch Ultra product. BeFit releases two product lines at the same time. These are BeFit Watch Ultra and BeFit Watch Ultra X. Currently these two products are released at the same time. Now, what is special about BeFit Watch Ultra product? When I experience the product, I will evaluate it through this video. If you feel there is, then you can give me a like. Now I will open the product box. I am very impressed with this product box. You can almost see through the product box is opened. This is only available in high-end watch lines. But I didn't expect that BeFit could be delicate and gives us this feeling. This is our product. The product box will give us a USB charging cord. And a male charm head. And in here is just a box. An instruction manual. In this manual, there will be instructions on how to pair and connect, handling gestures, dial switching, function keys, menu style changes. I will go into the main product today. My first impression of this product is the texture of rope, more special than other products. Normally, other wires usually of the clasp type, but BeFit gives us a wire that is a magnetic wire. That's impressive. It's quite easier to put on than other models. This model will be more biased towards males than females. Regarding this Watch Ultra, first of all, the design will give you a rotating knob. Smartwatch Ultra will have a screen. The shape and size are 52.6 millimeters, which is quite large. I personally think this Watch Ultra will fit men's wrists more than women's. The watch is made from zinc alloy, so it will withstand a fair level of external force. If there are no serious collisions, I think the watch is quite durable. The edge of the watch face is equipped with a rotating button and physical buttons located on the same bezel. In the middle there will be a mic to use for conversations. At the back there will be a speaker cluster. Currently watch straps are made from soft silicone material. When wearing it, it feels quite comfortable. During exercise, my hands do flow. Sweat doesn't feel itchy or uncomfortable. The strap uses a magnetic clasp. The watch has standard dust and water resistance. IP67 allows you to wear it when washing your hands in the rain. However, you should not come into contact. The watch is exposed to too much water to ensure durability. The screen is slightly curved towards the edges. Screen panel mold with dimensions up to 1.95 millimeters. Makes viewing notifications and operating messages on the watch very easy, with a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels. Suitable for high pixel density, for the ability to display details clearly. Another plus point is that the borders on both sides of the screen are not too thick, for a comfortable experience. BeFit watches are equipped with health sensors to provide users with information about common indicators such as heart rate, blood oxygen concentration, blood pressure, sleep tracking. In USA tried measuring my heart rate at the same time as the medical meter. The results in both devices are equivalent. When I go to bed, I also wear the watch to use the sleep tracking feature. This feature works quite accurately. Bedtime, wake time, deep sleep time, light sleep time. Through that, you will have an overview of sleep. To improve health. Not only does it monitor health, there will also be features, but it also cares about physical health with many exercise modes. Cycling, jogging, basketball. Then it will record health indicators, like heart rate and exercise time. I have tested the product. To go jogging, the recorded heart rate is not really accurate. However, when I cycle, the device still displays virtual steps. In particular, the product has conversation support. Then when connecting to iOS, you can receive calls from the SIM and third-party applications. As for Android, it is not supported third application, only received via SIM. For SMS or application messages, they all receive it. Vietnamese font is clear. The clock still doesn't show clearly message icon. As for battery capacity, it will be equipped with a battery pack to 3 mAh, according to the information provided by the company. It is possible for 5 days, enough for users to experience daily activities. The watch supports magnetic charging, which is very easy to use. Full charging time for the product is about 2 hours. In fact, when I use it at normal intensity, it only takes 2 days. The battery is only about half full. So if you continue to use it, you can achieve it as per the company's information. Then besides the tracking feature shelf, it still has features. Normally, like an alarm, stopwatch, countdown. The product possesses a dynamic design, modern, suitable for many activities. Added positioning features. Then for me, this watch is quite nice, because it's full-featured, without you having to spend too much money. If you have any questions or want me to review more clearly, then please comment below. So that I can advise more clearly. Thank you.